KB9WL from Kilowatt 7 Sugar Uniform, over.
Up 5, KB9WL.
Roger. KB9 QRZ is frequency in use.
Go ahead, man, you got it. KB9 Whiskey in Lima.
Yeah, okay, very good. Good afternoon. Handle here is Kelly, and we are in Delta Norway 22. Delta Norway 22, over.
Yeah, howdy, Kelly. What's the call?
I'm sorry, Kilowatt 7 Sugar Uniform. Kilowatt 7 Sugar Uniform, over.
Okay, Kilowatt 7 Sugar Uniform. Glad to make your acquaintance, Kelly. My name is Andy. You're about a 5'7" in the Echo Mike 5'7", over.
Roger, you're about an S8 here, about a 5x8. A beautiful signal here in southern Idaho near Twin Falls this afternoon, over.
Roger. Is that where they have the nuclear training facility for the Navy?
Yeah, well, no. It's in the same kind of sort of part of the state. That's more in eastern Idaho, up by Idaho Falls, over.
Yeah, okay. Well, Europe has been worked by guys in northern Alabama and northern Georgia, and a guy in southern Indiana worked Europe too, so I've been kind of looking that way. And have you heard anything out of Alaska or Hawaii today?
I haven't, but let's see, when was it? 2 days ago? No, it was yesterday. Yesterday I worked Japan from here, so that wasn't too bad, over.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, we had a tremendous Japanese opening. I see somebody from the interior has worked into the Aleutians, it looks like.
I'll be darned. That doesn't show on my map here, but I wouldn't be surprised. It's opening up and doing well. So, well, I know you're wanting to aim back toward Europe, so I just wanted to give you a call. You had a good signal here, Andy, so thanks, and 7-3, and enjoy the opening, and have a good one. KB9WL, K7SU.
Yeah, okay, Kelly. Well, I'll tell you what, being in southern Illinois is like being in the bottom of a barrel. It's pretty tough here to work Europe. I've heard Hawaii, and I've not heard Alaska, but I have worked Japan in 06. We lucked out there. So, okay, thanks for the call, Kelly. Same 7-3, K7 Sugar Uniform, KB9WL.
Okay, Andy, have a good one. 7-3s again. KB9WL, K7SU.
K7SU from Kilowatt 0, Victor, Uniform, Yokohama, K0VUI.
Yeah, K0VUI, Kilowatt 7 Sugar Uniform. That call sounds familiar. I think we've worked. We're in Delta Norway 22. DN22 handles Kelly, over.
Okay, I'm at Echo Mike 48. The name is Bill, B-I-L-L. And I just about walked the world here. I've got corn. Last year at this time, on the 6th, let me look here. Hang on. On the 6th, I worked 17 Japan stations, over.
Well, you're certainly getting your fair share in. That's great. Congratulations. Okay, very good. Yeah, he was anxious to swing toward Europe again, so good deal. Well, I appreciate the call. It's a beautiful afternoon here today. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's cold and windy, but the sun is shining.
Well, it's 82.8 here, and the sun's out here.
Yeah, I imagine we're still in the 50s here today, but with a 35-mile-an-hour wind blowing, it makes it seem a lot colder than that.
Yeah, it's kind of frigid. Yeah, the wind chill. Okay, Kelly, I'm going to let you go, and have a good. You sound great down here. You're very strong. And I know you can hear me, over.
Oh, yeah, no problem at all. You're a good 5-9. Thanks, Bill. Appreciate it. Enjoy the opening. We'll talk to you soon. K0VUI, K7SU.